Hey everybody, so I've received some questions about this assignment. It seems like there's some confusion out there, so I'm going to try and clear it up. Um, what you're doing is you're collecting evidence from the Beautiful Brains article and just explaining what that evidence is trying to teach us about the teenage brain and how it develops. So the article itself is broken up into different sections. You'll remember that it talks about the teenager's thrill of adventure. It talks about teenagers as risk takers. It talks about teenagers as reward seekers, how they seek friends over family, and parents, adults, and their responsibility. Um, it's numbered so that you start with number one. Number one is asking you about the evidence on the left. So, what does this evidence teach us about the teenage brain? You're reading this evidence, answering that question in the box. Pretty simple. Then you move down to number two, right, which is insert a direct quote from Beautiful Brains that explains Teen's Thrill of Adventure. So all you're doing is typing a direct quote in this box, having your quote here, blah, 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 entering your quote that is talking about teenage brains. Then you're going to move to number three. What does this evidence teach us about the teenage brain? Got it? So then you're doing the same thing for each section. You're just changing your focus. So you're going to do risk takers next. This first box, because the quote is already here, you're going to interpret it in number four. And then number five, you're finding another quote. Number six, you're interpreting it. So you're just following the numbers down the page, okay? And then you're finding evidence for each of the sections of the article. That's what you're doing. I hope that's clear. I hope that answers any questions or clears things up for you. Shoot me a message again if you have questions.